Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Shazia. So as we all know, it's the new year and I obviously had to create a new year eye look for you guys, and yeah, I just hope I'm not too late in uploading this, but yes, I have created this very simple bronzy smoky eye, which is very easy to create. I have used a very simple method, so I hope you guys will find the tutorial helpful. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started to see how I've achieved this look. Like always, I have already primed my eyelids, filled my brows, applied the tape to the edge of my eye off camera. I'm starting with this black eyeshadow from this palette, and I'm going to apply this eyeshadow like an eyeliner on my outer corner and also create a wing along with it, like you can see. So this is the first step that you need to do in order to achieve this smoky eye look. So just create like an eyeliner using this black eyeshadow and just draw out a wing. And now you don't have to blend much, you just have to apply it like that. And right on top of it, I'm going to apply this bronzy shade from this Colourpop palette. Again, I'm kind of creating like an eyeliner over that black liner. And this method was inspired by this very famous YouTuber called Smita Deepak. She showed this very simple method to achieve the smoky eye in a very easy way. And I was very inspired by it, and I thought I should share it on my channel for you guys as well. So yeah, then I've just taken this fluffy blending brush and just dabbing both the shades together, and I'm also going to blend a little bit along the way. Now once you do this, you're already going to get that gradient, and you don't have to blend much like we blend with the normal smoky eye looks. You know, there you need to like blend a lot to remove the harsh edges and create that gradient. Here it's much more easier. When you do it on yourself, you can understand it better. So yeah, I'm once again applying that black eyeshadow, and then once again I'm just blending it so that the look becomes more intense. So yeah, you can see already that smoky effect is almost formed, and yeah, this is how it's going to look. So next I'm going to apply this highlighter, this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in shade Molten Gold on my inner corner brow bone and a little bit above my forehead. So usually I do this as the last step, but you know, today I just did it after, you know, doing my lid work, and after that I'll be moving on to the lower lash line. So like you can see, I achieved this look so quickly. We've already, you know, done everything. You didn't require much effort, neither did we require too many eyeshadows or too much of blending. It was very simple. So then I applied black eyeshadow on my lower lash line, and below that I went in with the bronzy shade, and you can see that look. So you can stop it right here and apply mascara, but I'm going to you know, take this look to a little further level. So I've curled my lashes now, and next I'm going to apply the Maybelline Colossal mascara. So guys, let me know, how was this year for you? I'm sure it was difficult for all of us, including myself, but I'm sure there is something good in every year. So let me know in 2020 what was the best thing that happened to you, or was there any good thing that happened to you in this year? Let me know. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this bronzy glitter on top of my lid, and I'm not applying it fully. I'm just dispersing the glitter like that. I don't want it to, you know, be packed with the glitter. I'm just dispersing it like that, you know, just separating the particles. And once again, I'm just blending it. So if you want, you can skip glitter, but it's New Year, and I think we all deserve to get glammed up this year, because we survived this year, right? So yeah, that's the reason I went ahead with glitter, to add that pop of shine. And I went in with my Rhoda lashes in shade 20 in style 25. And yeah guys, so don't forget to comment down telling me what was the good thing that happened to you in this year. For me, it had to be you know, me improving my cooking skills, and also I learned a lot about life. I did face bad times. I did have a lot of negative experiences this year. I did go through things, but I learned something out of everything, which I think is worth. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you all will have fun this year, this new year. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.